Hello friends, this is a second part of the two-part video series. In the first part, we had some issue at the end, so I stopped there. I have fixed it. Now I will be describing the remaining thing in this video. First of all, the problem was that the backend was not started. The backend actually implemented as a ASP.NET Core API in this project and it was not started. Uh, so let's configure this project. I have to start multiple things, actually multiple projects I have to start. So first, obviously this mm, web API has to be started and it has to be started first, right? Then I can start this one, desktop, okay. Kernel, actually this is a DL, this don't need to be started, but theoretically it should be the top because this web API actually consumes this kernel in my implementation. This wave, if I want to start, okay, let this also be started. And for this web API testing, no, I don't want to test it right now. At least explain in this video, it will be too much. Now after fixing my problem, actually I have not tested it, so let's hope for the best. Everything will work out. Let's see. When I start, multiple things will be started together. Multiple projects is starting. So let me explain each one by one. So this is a Swagger page for testing the backend API. I will come to that maybe later. So this is my web-based front end. There are many things. Uh, I have to make multiple videos to explain different components of this uh, browser-based CAD developed by myself. But today we'll be discussing only how it visualizes the data, the lines and circles drawn using the console. So I only need only few toggles like this animation and pull data from cloud server. These two toggle I have to check in. Okay. Then I have a desktop viewer. This also developed using a VB.NET during one of my training sessions. Here let me connect it first. Now the actual thing, this console application, let me connect it at the first place. Okay, now it is connected to cloud. Now if I give the command circle and give a command center point 0,0 and radius say 50, once I enter it, the data should go into the cloud server and we should be able to view the circle uh, in the browser as well as this desktop application. Let's see. Yeah, I can see it. I can create a line from say 100 200 to 300 400. I can see it. Can I see it in the browser? Yeah, I can see it in the browser. So as you can see, let me minimize this, not minimize, size it. So as you see, I have one console application, so it will generate some data or model, right, in terms of model view architecture. So it will generate a model or a drawing or actually some data, drawing data in the cloud server, and I have two viewers. Let me create another circle with some radius say 100 200 and radius say 100. Immediately I can see what is happening. This console application is generating the data and posting this data to the cloud server, and now this web-based viewer and the desktop-based viewer both are pulling the data from the cloud server or fetching the data at some regular interval, and whenever there is a data, they are showing it in their viewers, right? Now this backend API will show me the data. So if I say get circles, it will show me the data for the circle. So I have two circles here, I am getting the data here. If I want to get the lines, I can get the lines here. So this project involves multiple things. Web development, so this is the backend development. This is the front end web development. It uses obviously HTML5 canvas elements, uh, and this is VB.NET for desktop application development. I've used graphics, GDI graphics. So multiple things are involved. I love to teach all of them. So I have multiple courses running. So those who wanted to learn CAD, how to develop a CAD software using some language, desktop CAD, maybe using C Sharp or VB.NET or C++, or if you want to learn web development using HTML, 2D graphics using Canvas, drawing or 3D graphics using 3JS, all these things, backend API development using ASP.NET Core API or something like that, you can communicate me. You know what to communicate, how to communicate, and I can actually explain uh, different things I developed using different projects. So in the college or in a training institute, normally you learn single file application, right? If you want to learn C Sharp or C++, you just create a main function and write the code there. Maximum you create few functions, uh, few classes as well maybe, but most probably I have seen they teach uh, not in a very professional level. So if you learn or attend my lectures or my online classes, you can get a professional level of training. So I am a corporate trainer. I have worked in various companies, including MNCs. I have provided corporate trainings there. So if you think that you are interested to learn about how a CAD software is developed, how the API is designed, then of course you can communicate me and we can plan for a batch, and I would be happy to help you to learn this. Thank you.